Hello dear traders, welcome back to Insta TV. You're watching financial news with me, Anna Kasatkina. The pound sterling is trading steadily. The euro is gaining ground as traders neglected the downbeat eurozone's inflation data for March, though it discouraged analysts. Economic data from the eurozone again signaled serious troubles in the region. The eurozone's manufacturing PMI from Market Research Group posted the worst reading in the recent 6 years. The index slumped to 47.5 in March from 49.3 in February. Business activity has been contracting for 8 months in a row. In annual terms, consumer inflation edged down to 1.4% in March from a 1.5% gain in February. Experts projected a flat print last month, so the negative inflation forecast from the ECB has come true. Remarkably, despite dismal data from the Eurozone, the euro-dollar pair rose 0.2% to trade at 1.1235. Meanwhile, a manufacturing PMI in the UK unexpectedly jumped to 55.1 last month from 52.1 a month earlier. The fresh score has been the strongest since February last year. A sharp increase of the indicator comes from the fact that companies have been amassing business inventories before the UK departure from the EU. The pound's dynamic is still determined by Brexit developments. The British currency is vulnerable to the risk of another defeat of the Brexit deal proposed by the Prime Minister in the parliamentary vote. The pound sterling lost 1.3% versus the US dollar in March. That has been the worst decline since October. On Friday, the pound-dollar pair rebounded after the news that the Labour Party could support Theresa May's blueprint. The pair is also trading high on Monday. It settled up at near 1.3095. The US dollar edged down following a final manufacturing PMI for China. The survey revealed growing business activity in China's industry. Meanwhile, the pound sterling is taking a short pause before the British Parliament votes on a series of Brexit options, which are alternative to Theresa May's deal. The sterling has been always viewed as a strong performer among the 10 top global currencies. However, it's facing a challenge in the nearest months. The pound-dollar pair is expected to trade with the highest volatility since the Brexit referendum in June of 2016. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you back soon.